Hi, it's Sharon the Flame with the Toothbrush Yoga Series. So I'm in my bathroom, but I want it to be really fresh and clean without any toxic cleaners. So this is what I do with my OCD. I start kicking it up. So the things that I do regularly is I make these little faucet bags. So you're going to want elastics or duct tape and scissors to cut the duct tape because you can secure it with duct tape. You're going to want some cleaning vinegar or any kind of vinegar. You're going to want to fill the baggie up on your sinks, on your shower heads, anything that's got water, and you're going to want to soak it. I don't know. I do it sometimes all day long while I'm gone. And that kind of brings a lot of stuff out, and you'll see that stuff really kind of coming out. So it's a great way to clean and make things fresh. So I hope I get to see you on social media. I'm going to have a whole bunch more series, so check in next week because I've got a bunch of tips coming up. So have a fantastic day. Namaste.